I try and stay positive, and I face how we are living. Some fools will negative.
Up and running, back to regular operation, though. Manners and respect to the loyal subscriber them. Big up to the new ones them. And what? Big up to the viewers them. So yo, it come like if Augustone 876 no shit, some of them vlogger boy and no swallow. All we have gone and see the video should have been do from 90 you know long you know. But I true my dad never take me, but what? My dad take me right now. You know my style. And my personality this. See me not try offend a man, but you don't know the thing. So me keep it what? Real. So I don't want to get into them feelings like no big bitch or no big girl. I vent me there, I vent, and I not try to run down no views and likes like me name My View TV or True Island Story. Don't do me that. Them man they don't walk the walk uptown or talk the talk uptown. Them man they don't know nothing about the badness uptown. You see me, cause as Augustone 876 post something relating to uptown or whatever, them that like a big skettle mix up, y'all quick for grab whatever and go do video about it. See me? I nah knock a man also still, you know. A man I do him have to forget the butter still, but you see My View TV, you know, when I go do video upon Uptown or Augustone, brother, and you just come off like a big mix up or see me? You just come off the way there. Cause you're not even have no positive message in your video. You just quick for grab it, chew it up, just views and likes. Brother, stop make video with Uptown, please. Continue do a little slappy fuckery upon the other thing them, but just low Uptown and the badness, cause you don't know nothing about the walks or the walks up them side there. See, Mr. True Island Story, me killer. You see you now, me give up some props because you see in your video them, you always try to pump some positive message in it. You see me? Me rate that. You see me? Continue to do that. But majority of the time when you talk about Uptown still, you know, I just be a fuckery chat. Like, you know, chat the realness of the thing, cause I just the hearsay and the thing you just grab on. As you say in your video them, you what? Forget what you say, like I say you get it, I say you sell it, whatever. But I'm not gonna also continue doing that, but just whatever. I really come to make video about you know. I really when you see the thumbnail, when I come to deal it, right? And that me I go deal it. Animal. Jesus Christ, you is already, I can't believe you have me here so. I make another video about it, Jaja know youth. But yo, differently still. What wrong with you and my boy, dog? The big belly one. Big gut. Yeah man, big gut. What wrong with you? No, you can't agree. Jesus Christ, what happened a couple of years ago? When Squash and Alkaline are war and Squash call up animal name in a song. And big gut, you feel left out. Cause Jungle 12 name I get called up. Color Red Gaza name I get called up in a song. You want your name get called up too. So you reach out to management and I make management know say you are one NDNC, River Nile and Animal Badness, you know. So we go up all of a sudden. We go to the unity. What wrong with you now? When you can't get along. Jesus Christ. Anyway, I'm not really forward for come get into the details why you not agree, you know. I just want to beg on this, please. Animal, big gut, please do not get the juvenile involved in no bangarang. Animal, if you have a problem with big gut, if you have a problem with animal, you just do the dirt, get it out of the way. I know so you can get each other number and talk to each other. So you go do that. If you don't talk it out, link up, bang it out.
No, the kid never that.
Jano, that no sound right.
Why?
But anyway, me a beg on do. No get the juvenile them involved on a bangarang. Allow the juvenile them alone, brother. Just uno do the dirt by yourself, brother. Uno claim so uno bad, uno want to prove so uno bad for each other. Hear me as a dog. Uno used to link one at the time them. So me know it not take nothing for a man get a man number. So it's either uno call each other, talk it out, come to an understanding. Big gut you stay over there so, animal you stay over there so. You just respect each other for just stay out of each other way for the rest of your life. Cause mate, you know so 14 dog. You know so 14. Just remember that here, I'm not pitney so. I don't see what kind of, as I say still brother, I guess me different from Uni, you see it? Me different from Uni, but that's the here nor there. You see what I say? Me I be gonna do nobody get the juvenile involved on the banker and cause neatly, me and Uni know say Uni fuck up couple juvenile life well. I just don't want to call the name and talk. You see me I say? But you know this. And it come like when dip on the urge for fuck up some more juvenile life. And me I beg on the dog, just lower that dog. See me I say, when you just link up, fuck up in your own life. When you just link up and do the dirt. Shoot it out, buy on yourself. Nobody get no man involved. Nobody get the man them want to have a company media. I talk about, yo, my dad never thief a gun yet. Or, yo, my dad buy much rifle. Nobody get them man involved. Uno just link up, because I know uno can't do it. But uno just not want to do it. Uno just want to be behind, you know? And I run program. I don't know what kind of badness that dog. To me, I'm telling you, them type of badness are some bitch nigga thing in a dog. See me, if you have a problem with that man and that man have a problem with that man, uno just need to just link up. Shoot it out with each other and link up or thump it out and come join Positive Street and talk it out and bygones with bygones, dog. You see me I say? Just slow the juvenile them man and make them get a chance at the future, you see me? Because when they done say Andrew Holness out to fuck up them future with this niggle and be other thing, you see me? Plus uno other now with the phone fool back and forth I call each other informer but who the pan media or whatever and on a gun thief in saga. Might you know just slow the juvenile them out of that. See me I say cause we want to talk about that too cause this me find this funny. Yeah me I say first thing the one we say animal what his name again? Momo. Alright, yeah, so you have Momo, you have animal, I have Bigot, right? The three man them are the three camp go back and forth and say yo who are informer from who are not informer. Brother, I'm gonna keep it fair now, cause me can remember clear now, cause I'm break it down. Me can remember clear now. As yesterday say yo, the first man for come on the media was Bigot, you know. Bigot fought on the media and express himself and vent and the dog say him feel good at express himself. Brother, nothing is wrong with that. Nothing is wrong if you want to come on the media and vent and talk, you see me, get it off your chest. You see me? That's a way of therapy then. You see me? I say it do good for the mental. Same thing with animal. Animal forward. Because remember, you know, animal they get locked up for a minute, you know, and the social media and the media never dead on the level there. So the dog forward don't know anymore if he express himself. He express himself. See me? I say same thing for Momo. Same get locked up from my 18 brother. Brother, nobody no remember about this nigga dog and the dog get a chance now to express himself and spell it out like Jody and Maxwell and inform like him name Tishiki 69. Go ahead brother, do your thing. You see me, nothing wrong with that dog. Cause I'm tell you this brother. You see Jamaican badman lifestyle dog, this whole badness thing dog. To me brother, a joke thing. Cause first thing the man them say oh bad man no for come on social media and bag of chatting. First thing, bad man no for suck pussy and most of the dog them have the girl them up wipe the G string in them face and want come talk about them a G. You know what kind of G dog? No G enough for a lick clit. That me and make you know so. You know for go easy man. You know for go easy and lock chat. No for no hypocrite in the badness, you hear that? I'm telling you man. Hear me I say, who love for thief gun like the man them from Uptown? I don't talk Augustown alone, I just talk Uptown in general. Uptown man them love thief gun. It's like it just inna them DNA, inna them blood. Them love thief gun. You have to remember, you know, the man them a thief gun from them in a primary school. Water gun, yeah man. Them a go the little youth them fear day or some big youth and I take the man them water gun. See me? So when them graduate in a badness now, cause them did a catch and practice from them younger, you know. A thief water gun. So when them graduate now, them apply the same thieving gun method and I go clamp some man matic. Clamp the man them matic, but never know say yo, the man them go spin them black and wet it up. But them think a water gun, the man them come wet it up with. Nah man go wet it up with real hollow tips. You see me? So it's just a sickness in the Uptown man them for them just love thief gun. Them can't help it, you see me? Them just can't help it. What's when them say all a Chrismatic? The matic could all hold and rust it. Them still want to thief it. And so them get busy Uptown, you hear that? Yo, to the juvenile them, I'm telling you this. You see my dad and my father, you hear that? And me and one of them youth, they're very fortunate to have a father who care about me, you see it? But you don't know you have some youth, them don't really have that. Some of them fatherless or some of them have father who just not care about them, you see it? But yo, you see if you ever done, and you done I go look upon you and want to give you a gun for all, for fight film, little idiot war, or for deal with him little idiot problem them. While him a hide in a yard like a bitch ass nigga, or him there foreign like a pussy ass nigga, or lock up in a jailhouse like a big batty boy, or run program like a real bitch ass nigga. And then want come use you now for shoot people or road and murder people. And then him say man I go turn around and talk about yo, I can't do it right now dog. Right now I'm too hot police this police that. I'ma tell you this dog. Him not care about you. I wreck him I go wreck your life. You don't not go want to tell you this you know, but me I go tell you. I use him I use and him I go wreck your life and fuck it up. And you see at the end him not go care. Him not go care. So this how me want you look on your Dan and tell him. Want you say, yo my G, go to your Dan and say, yo my G, all I go on still you know. I suck you for go suck out your mother and love me you know, you hear that? Yeah man, cause differently still as a juvenile you see if you care about me and my best interest, you would not give me no gun for all. You would have look at me and I say, yo, you want to go on and juvenile, go live some life. You hear that? You know what it is for fuck some nice pussy in some 5-star hotel up on the east, on the north coast. You know them bossy nice hotel there. You done should have look on you and I say, yo, a school thing it there no. You see me I deal with that, in the school it there no, or if not in the school, cause some man can't really afford the schooling. Try to help you to get a work and put you on the right path, you see me? Yeah, put you on the right path, cause that would show you a Dan we really care about you and your best interest. You see me I deal with? Not just even not Dan, just somebody who care about you and your best interest, you see me? So stop following them waste man you talk about you and them are Dan, cause I done show you the energy. As an experienced nigga in the thing, all them a do a go wreck your shit. Them a go wreck it and them not go care at the end. You see me? So take heed in what me I say. Listen to what me I say. And the plan that cause more you alright. Look on all this. More if you look on your Dan. Look on your Dan. Look on your journey of your Dan. It's a journey of a waste man. And them man they want to be a role model. Look on the man them round your Dan and look on the man them dead out round your Dan. And them man they want to be a role model. Find a different role model man. I want to tell you. You see me? So just hear me I say. And pray what me I say. But anyway, animal, be good. When you do the right thing or do the left thing, it don't matter to me. When you don't know me is around here now. Yeah man, I have to spell it out. Get to the program. I'm not so 40. But anyway, up State Street 876. You know the thing go.
Yeah. Though we are trying to stay positive, and I don't feel how we are living. Some fools well negative, hear them come with them politics. We don't want to hear from them, no we not beg none of them. Cause we not look a friend, and we not look a man. I don't know what one pretend, just grab a rope and hand. I don't know what one pretend, just grab a rope and go hand. No we are trying to stay positive, and I don't feel how we are living. Some fools well negative, hear them come with them politics. We don't hear from them.